Let's draw the world! Let's draw and talk about cats. Let's write the word cat. C-A-T, capital letters of cat. Wow! Now let's write the lowercase cat. C-A-T, cat. Do you know that there are over 500 million pet cats in the world? But today, let's just draw 3 kinds of cats. First, I'm going to draw Hello Kitty. Everyone loves Hello Kitty. Even my mother loves Hello Kitty. They say the cat and humans have been associated for nearly 10,000 years. 10,000 years is a really long time. No wonder that we have a close relationship with cats. So cats is a pet. Do you see her whiskers? These whiskers have special powers. They are like hair, but they are really not hair. Whiskers have nerve endings. So when they are able to detect food and their surroundings. Isn't that cool? I wonder what she's detecting. She's detecting ice cream. Now let's finish it off with her feet. This time, I will color her ribbon red. Red. Now this time, let's color the heart red. I think she's surprised that she finished coloring her heart. Now let's color her pants blue. Blue. I'm going to color the background pink. Pink. The second cat that I'm going to draw is a really energetic cat. Let's draw the eyes first. Eyes. Then I'm going to draw the forehead of the cat. This cat has a flexible body. Oh, look at his smile and his nose. He has a flexible body and soft blue fur. I'm going to color his fur blue later. And he has teeth that is adapted for hunting for small animals such as mice and rats. Yes, this cat eats rats and mice. This cat also has powerful night vision, so he's able to catch mice. Cats have excellent hearing and powerful sense of smell. Their sense of smell is around 14 times better than humans. 14 times better than humans. I wonder what this cat is smelling right now. Let's color his arms blue and his body blue. Blue. He's smelling fried chicken. I bet he wants to eat fried chicken. let's color the tail of the cat. Let's color the head blue. Now let's color his mouth yellow. Yellow. This cat likes to jump. He's very energetic. The third cat that I'm going to draw is a cat waving at us. It's going to say hi to you and me. All pet cats are potty trained, but some cats are taught to use a toilet. This cat that I'm drawing is really a smart cat because it even flushes the toilet. Isn't that so cool? Cats have sharp teeth and claws, so you have to be really careful around them. Even though cats are very friendly and cute, be aware. It's best to play with cats with toys and not to push or wrestle with them. Let's color the ear orange. I'm going to color the tail orange. Now the part of the body orange. Let's color the background blue. Blue. Thank you, and always be happy. Don't forget to subscribe.